Earth's diameter and circumference is explained. As we know, Earth is not a perfect ball, although it looks round from space. But our planet is actually slightly flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator. This shape is called an oblate spheroid. An oblate spheroid is a ball that is slightly squashed at the top and bottom and a little wider in the middle. Earth is an oblate spheroid because its rotation makes the equator bulge outward a little. Now let's look at Earth's dimensions. First, look at the equatorial diameter. Imagine slicing Earth through its middle at the equator. The length of that slice from one edge to the opposite edge is the equatorial diameter. It is the distance straight through Earth from one side of the equator to the other, passing through the planet's center. The equatorial diameter is a distance across Earth at its widest point, the equator. For Earth, this distance is about 12,756 kilometers. Now, look at the polar diameter. Imagine a line going from the top of Earth, North Pole, through the center to the bottom, South Pole. That distance is a polar diameter. It is the distance straight through Earth from the North Pole to the South Pole, passing through the planet's center. The polar diameter is a distance through Earth from the North Pole to the South Pole. For Earth, this distance is about 12,714 km. For easy comparison, equatorial diameter equal to Earth's width at the equator, which is 12,756 km. Polar diameter equal to Earth's height from the North Pole to the South Pole, which is 12,714 km. Because Earth is slightly flattened at the poles, the polar diameter is about 43 kilometers shorter than the equatorial diameter. Now, move forward to equatorial circumference. Imagine wrapping a giant measuring tape around Earth at its widest part, the equator. The length of that tape would be about 40,075 km. The equatorial circumference is the distance around Earth at the equator, which is the planet's widest part. It measures about 40,075 km. Now, polar circumference. Imagine drawing a giant circle around Earth that goes through both poles. The distance around that circle is about 40,008 kilometers. Polar circumference is the distance all the way around Earth, passing through the North Pole and the South Pole. The polar circumference is the distance around Earth through the North Pole and South Pole, and it is measured about 40,008 kilometers. For easy comparison, equatorial circumference is distance around Earth's middle equator, which is 40,075 kilometers. Polar circumference is distance around Earth through the poles, which is 40,008 km. Because Earth is slightly flattened at the poles, the polar circumference is about 67 kilometers shorter than the equatorial circumferences. So remember, equatorial diameter equal to 12,756 km, polar diameter 12,714 km, equatorial circumference is 40,075 km, and polar circumference is 40,008 km. Earth may look perfectly round, but science reveals it's just a little wider than it is tall. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, do let me know. Thank you.